What's up guys, with just 5 days to go until its big Unpacked event, Samsung has officially started its Galaxy S22 series ad campaign. Samsung has launched a new promotional campaign in anticipation of the Galaxy Unpacked 2022. Starting Feb 4, the company is lighting up several eye-popping 3D billboards in 5 major cities around the world to promote the upcoming launch event. The campaign teases the Galaxy S22 series' advanced low-light photography capabilities. Samsung calls this the Tiger in the City campaign for a couple of reasons. The first of which being that China has officially entered the Year of the Tiger. The billboards located in New York, London, Dubai, Kuala Lumpur and Seoul will light up with a giant 3D render of a roaring tiger. But this is not just about the Year of the Tiger. The company also draws a parallel between the tiger's powerful night vision and its low-light mobile cameras. In addition, Samsung claims to have picked the big cat to represent its latest campaign as a way to show customers that it embraced its own innovation fast following over a decade of refusing to play it safe. This isn't the first time Samsung had put the tiger at the forefront of its campaigns. The company now uses the Tiger acronym for its latest strategy to beat Apple in the United States this year. Furthermore, Samsung recently carried out a promotional campaign for the Galaxy S21 Ultra by using only the flagship phone's cameras to film a short wildlife documentary on tigers in the lush jungles of India. In related news, Roland suggests Samsung will bring a 1TB variant of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but it will be limited to certain markets. It will be interesting to see what other leaks and rumors will emerge in the days up to the Feb 9. So, the Galaxy S22 series will be unveiled on Feb 9. It should go on sale latest this month though. Recent rumors indicate that Samsung may be forced to delay shipments for the base and plus models. So yeah, let's see what happens in the future. That's it for today. Now, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.